Hey, what's happening? So, if you're looking for a way to create positive habits in your life so you can, get more done, get the results you want, start taking those actions you want, whatever it is you want to work on, this app here, it's called Let's Goal, can really help you do that. And they just made an update just recently that I think is really awesome. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. My name is Paul Farmer, by the way. Thank you for visiting the channel. Go ahead and hit subscribe and ding that notification bell if you are getting value. But I wanted to share this with you today because I've been getting value from this update. Okay, so before I was using this app every day because what it does is it walks you through the whole entire process of a daily routine. The things that are probably most important to be doing each day, that's what this app walks you through. But what I really want to focus on today is the habit tracker. Okay. And what's cool about the habit tracker here, and you can see I have my habits here. Okay. Now, I could add as many as I want, I could have as few as I want. But what's cool about this is you enter in what it is you want to do. So for me, I want to play piano for 10 minutes a day. I'm doing 50 push-ups a day, actually 100 push-ups, but I'm doing 50 just to make it doable. 30 pull-ups and make a video. Now I can put as many as I want. I could put more business on here. I could put read the Bible, every day, whatever I want to put, I could put here. And what's really cool about this is it tracks the days you do it. So you can see I'm on a 10-day streak with the play the piano. I'm on a 9-day streak. Actually, these should be 10 days as well. Not really sure what happened there, but um, I think there was something wrong with my time setting or whatever. But make a video, you can see it's keeping track of what I'm doing. And what's different about this than other habit trackers that you'll see out there, other habit tracker apps, is this one allows you to set the days you want to do your activity. So, for example, I play piano. Let me see if I click on it, if anything happens. You can see that I have it set for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, this task has not been completed yet this week, so I still have to play my piano. Push-ups, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, same thing. Make a video though, I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I don't have this going through the weekend, as you can see, because I need to rest a little bit. So you could select the days, which I think is really cool. And then what happens is it tracks your streak. So every time, so for example, make a video. So I'm going to go over here, make a video. And if I click the little button here, see it says make video, it's going to do this like confetti. You're on a 9-day streak. You have completed this nine times, right? And you just, that's it. Okay. Make a video. That's done. 9-day streak. See, it tracks it. Now, if I don't do it, it's going to not track it, obviously. So what this does is, for me anyway, maybe for you as well, it makes it's like a reminder, right? It's like something that, and I gave this to my wife too. I showed her this app and she's been using it and it's been helping her get more exercise in and get more done as well. Uh, but if you're like me at all, like once I put something down, I'm going to get it done. It's going to get done. So for me, it's just kind of makes me aware of the things I want to complete. Now, I started with just 4 different things I wanted to do. You could add as many as you want. You could set this to even do like micro tasks, so you could work up to a bigger task. Like I saw one guy he's reading the Old Testament, right? And he's putting micro tasks to complete to get the bigger task. So you can do that in there as well. Uh, but for me, like I just like the simplicity of this. Like I like I like the whole app overall. Like I like how it walks you through your daily routine. I feel like it's a little out of order to be honest, but for the most part, it's very useful. And I was using it for a good long time until I actually hurt my back really bad. I wasn't able to walk, sit, or stand. So I wasn't able to do the exercise. I wasn't able to stretch. And these are the things that they have in there: gratitude, stretch, prayer, uh, what else? Vision. So you're looking at a vision board. You're going through your affirmations. You're setting the daily priorities for the day. They got health in there. So everything, relationships, delegating, like it's all in there and it walks you through the process. But this is the new app. We also have a journal, all kinds of stuff in here. I'm not going through the whole thing, but this is just a good. I wanted to share this with you because I really like this update because it makes sense to me. Um, they say, and I've heard many different sayings when it comes to creating habits, how long it takes for something to become a habit. Some people say it's 21 days. Some people say it's a month. But really, what they're saying now is it's 66 days to become a habit. So, what this does is it tracks this will show up for like 30 days. And then it will keep tracking your streak as long as you go. Uh, and I just think that's really great because it makes you aware. It keeps, like, especially if you're using it. Okay. If you don't use it, obviously it's not going to work. It's a tool. You have to use the tool. If you have a hammer and you have nails and you don't use the hammer to pound the nails, like the tool is useless, right? So you have to use the tool for it to actually work. But this is really awesome. Let me just show you. I usually do this on the phone, so it's a little different on the computer. But let's say I want to add a task, right? So let's say I want to add a health task. So I'm just going to go here. I'm going to select add the health task. So let's just do sit-ups, right? Let's do 50 sit-ups a day, right? Sit-ups. Good enough. Just for this example. Okay. So, and then I can repeat it. I'm going to do the weekdays. So I just select those days, right? And then I just hit save task. And now it's going to show up on my, right here. Oops, right here, 50 sit-ups, right? So if I click on that, and you could select the different places you want to put it, right? So it's under health. That makes the most sense. But we have MVP, which is your most valuable priorities. Then you have health, work, relationships, idealist, delegation. So there's different places you could put it, and it will put it in those categories. But for me, I like this simplicity of this. It just makes it easy. I don't spend a ton of time when I'm coming in here to do this. You just hit the button. So like if I click it again for the 30 push-ups, I'll do the 50 push-ups because I'm basically there. I'm actually doing 100, but I put 50 to make sure it's doable. And that's kind of a tip. If you're starting a new habit, you want to make sure you do something that's doable. The tendency is we come on and we're like, oh, I'm going to go all out, right? And then what happens is a lot of the time we just don't do it. We just don't do it. It's too much for us. It's overwhelming. So I actually think it's better to put a smaller goal, something that you can achieve. Consistency is what we're after here. It's not like, oh, you did 100 one day and then the next day you did zero, right? No, we want consistency. That's where you're going to see the most results. I got play piano on here just because that's something that um, I've wanted to learn how to do when I was young. Like I think it was like 9 or 10 years old. I was playing piano, like I was taking lessons, and my parents allowed me to quit, which is still something that you know I look at it like, wow, if I would have just stuck with it, what could have happened, right? So I like this. I put this on here because it kind of allows me to do different things other than just like business stuff or health stuff, right? Like it's something different. And music is it's good for your mind, and it's for me it kind of relaxes me a little bit, takes me away from all the stuff I deal with on a day-to-day basis. So that's why I have that on there. And then I'm doing some health things, And I'll probably add more as I go, but I just wanted to start in a place where I knew I could achieve it, right? I threw up one business thing. So one, I already checked it off, but that was the make a video 4 days a week. So you could make it as many days as you want. You could do it like Tuesday, Thursday, like it doesn't matter. But that's essentially it. And you can put this on your phone. But yeah, you could have it on your phone, and that's kind of where I usually do it. And just it's really easy to come in, click the little boxes. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you today. It's a really useful app. I really do believe it's going to help you have a more fulfilling life, help you achieve more in business, in life, and especially if you use it. It's very helpful and it's very affordable. So it's only $10 a month. And they actually do have an affiliate program with it where you can earn $8 unlimited residual commission. So uh, you're making the majority of the cost. You could also share this app with, I can't remember how many people it is. I think it's 4 or 5 people for free. That's what I did with my wife. I shared it with my wife and she's able to use it for free. But this could be also a business in a box if you wanted it to be. So let me just show you what I'm talking about here. So we have pages that are already done that are linked to you that walk a person through everything right here. So you can see the habit tracker right here. You can see repeating tasks. Like it walks you through exactly what to do, what you can do. And this page is already ready to go. So you can start offering it to people if you wanted to. Oh, here it is, 7 free family accounts. So you can share this with, friends, family, and they can use the app without having to pay for it, which is really cool. Like if you're doing it with your kids, you want to teach your kids some very useful things, in life. It's definitely something that could benefit them if they do it. Uh, the founders of this program, of this app, well, they actually create the app. They bought it from the guy, but they took it over. They got the idea of the habit tracker because, like on Snapchat, uh, the guy's kids they were doing Snapchat. Like they were taking pictures of the couch, of the floor, the ceiling, whatever, right? Because they wanted to keep their streaks going on Snapchat. Now I don't have Snapchat. I've never been on Snapchat. I have zero interest in Snapchat, but the concept made a lot of sense. So if you could keep the streak alive doing positive things, not things that are just useless, like taking a picture of the couch and posting it, then you could really do a lot of good in life, right? You could really achieve a lot, really, because, you know, actions create habits and habits create results. So if you have good habits, obviously results are going to follow. Obviously your bank account's going to increase. Your health is going to get better, obviously, right? Whatever else you want to work on is going to improve. And as you can see here, like he has work tasks, fast start video done, email list done. So it's kind of like a task sheet in a way. I'm using it a little differently. Like here we go, daily content, read, drink, AG1. I don't know what AG1 is, but um, 30 minutes cardio journal. So you can see it tracks those things. And this is only one little part of this whole app. So it's really, really cool. I think it's amazingly priced. I mean, you can make $8 unlimited residual income. This is a business in a box, but even if you don't do that, if you have no interest in promoting this and you just use the app itself. So here's this is another page you get access to. Like you don't have to pay for this page. You can see there's a video here that walks you through the whole process, and you can share this with other people, and they can see it. Again, a complete business in a box. You don't have to do anything other than share it with other people. And when they purchase, you make $8 residual income. So that means every month you're getting $8 as long as they keep this app. So I'm not really sharing it with you for that reason. I'm sharing it with you because I'm getting value from it. I'm using it daily. It's helping me be more aware of certain habits I want to develop. And to be honest with you, I've already been doing a number of things that I've already created habits for. So, for example, One of the things I do is I write letters and I get paid for writing letters. And I do that every day. And that's just a habit I built. Like I don't even think about it. I just do it. I get up and I do it. Another one is I have to do certain exercises as part of my strengthening my core, my back, right? So I have to do certain exercises. I have to do ball exercises and I have to do floor exercises every single day. And that's not, you don't see that on here. I'm not checking it off. I could put it on there, but it's something I've already developed. So I'm not putting it on there. I really wanted to put things on there that I hadn't really developed yet. And, uh, and that's where I'm at right now. Okay. So I hope you got value. I hope and trust you got value from watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and put the link right below in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. There's not even going to be a capture page. You'll get to see this page right here and walk through it, so you can learn all about what we have here, how this works, and how it can benefit you, even better than what I show. Okay, so with that, make it a great day. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.